The important one, the little piggy who went to market. Wait, I'm talking again. Oh, I had so many things trapped inside of me that I couldn't say. Like, hey, I'm not dead! And why does a hurricane have an eye but not an ear?
I'll push him overboard. You guys say it was an accident.
And why do males have nipples?
I'm in. How about you, Diego? Diego? Hey, relax, buddy. Captain Crazy and his floating petting zoo are history. Come on. We're finally heading home.
I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't eat, can't sleep. Maybe I'm coming down with something.
Oh, I know what you've got. The L word.
Yeah, leprosy.
No, Sid, no. It's 4 letters. Starts with L, ends with E.
Aha! Nice!
No, Diego, my friend, is in love.
Oh, yeah, love.
You mean with the pirates? No.
Oh, Shira's gotten under your skin. Come on, admit it.
A rugged saber like you.
A more rugged saber like her.
No, no, no. You guys are dead wrong.
Denial is the clincher! You're in love, pussycat.
Diego and Shira sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G.
Real mature, guys. Real mature. Shira?
I wanted to come with you.
She's beautiful.
Sid, I adore Sloth who cares nothing about personal hygiene.
That's me, baby.
Ooh, Granny. Come to me, Granny.
Well, hello.
The wrinklier the resin, the sweeter the fruit.
Ooh, Granny like it. Granny like it very much.
Huh? Guys, aren't you paying attention?
Are you there?
Ellie?
We're over here, man.
This way, Daddy. I really need you.
I know, honey. Stay there. I'm coming.
You were right, Manny. You're always right.
No, look, wait a minute. Ellie would never say that.
Manny? Manny!
Huh? No, they're not real. They're monsters. Don't listen to them. Who can take the sunrise? No! They may look real, but they're not. They're gonna destroy the ship.
Come on. Swim with me. I have a snack for you.
And she cooks, too.
Sid, no!
Why are we kissing?
'Cause cruises are romantic?
5 more seconds and we'd have been goners.
Call me.